Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. If you have a Hyundai, practically any Hyundai, it could be a Hyundai Sonata, Elantra, Santa Fe, Tucson, Veloster, Accent, doesn't matter what it is guys. If you want to see how to fix engine light on and any of the codes such as P0440, P0441 or code P0442, stay with us, we're going to explain that in today's video guys. It could be multiple things, make sure you stay until the end. Also we will explain guys, if you do something wrong you can cause damage that can cost you quite a bit of money, so we're going to talk about that as we go. Now before we start, let me tell you guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix anything. Another thing, why we do that, simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Something else guys, if you need to buy a new camshaft position sensor, any of the tools, parts that we use in our videos, check out guys the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get all the tools and parts that you need for a really good price and quick shipping as well. So now right here guys, 2013 Hyundai, but doesn't matter if you have a 2000 model, 2005, even if it's a 2020, 21 guys, you will have a purge valve on gasoline engines. Diesels do not have that one, only gasoline engines have that one. And you want to know, okay, what is the purge valve? Let's explain that quick. Let's leave that hose quick. The purge valve will be located, it will stay like right here, it will be connected, okay, to this hose here. Okay, and on this side it will be connected to this hose. This hose is come to the intake manifold, past the throttle body, the other hose goes to the fuel tank. You can see that goes to the fuel tank. So now you get to wonder guys, okay, what it does. Your fuel, the gasoline guys, when it heats up, when it moves around, it creates pressure, vapors, and without that purge valve they will be released in the atmosphere. That's how it used to be back in the day, but now due to regulations you don't want to kill the atmosphere. Second, if you can bring those vapors to the engine, it means that you will bring the fuel vapors, your car will be more efficient, it will give you more power, and you will not lose, okay, fuel. So that's the purpose of that valve. Okay, there is another device that's actually in the fuel tank. It's called a canister that catches the vapors, okay, and there is a valve like this one, a big one by the fuel tank, that releases them and sends them to this device. So from there they will come here, it will be injected in the intake manifold. Now if you guys have any of these codes, what it could be a bad purge valve. We actually guys have a special video that explains how to test purge valve on Hyundai. Check it out, it's super simple, but if you do one simple mistake you can guys actually burn that valve. So the video is on our channel, how to test purge valve on Hyundai. Check it out guys, it can save you quite a bit of trouble. Number one thing, it's bad valve. Sometimes it could be sticking, it could be not working correctly, it could be leaking. Number two guys, check the wiring harness. Make sure the wires are not broken, eaten, melted, anything like that. Reinsert the wires, see if that fixes the problem. Number three, you want to make sure that all the hoses are in good condition, the clamps are holding good, and they're not leaking. Especially if you have the one coming from the fuel tank, that can definitely guys, okay, cause quite a bit of trouble. And the one here, if it's leaking, that will cause vacuum leak, and you can have even engine light related to a lean fuel mixture, bad oxygen sensors. It could be multiple things, but if you have a bad purge valve, most likely guys you will have engine light on, any of these codes, and you may experience rough idle, sometimes even a hard time starting your vehicle. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.